Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying your trade credits balance in the wallet so you know what you can spend. Once done, open the trade screen from home and pick the trade credits option. This tells the client you intend to use credits instead of currency. Next, select the target card, booster pack, or bundle that accepts credits. Make sure the item explicitly lists trade credits as payment. If not, you'll need to convert or use another method before proceeding. You now apply trade credits at checkout and confirm the exact amount deducted along with your remaining balance. If the purchase exceeds credits, make sure to adjust the split payment to cover the gap with currency. The system shows options for that. Then carefully review the trade details: sender, recipient, card ID, and any marketplace fees. If everything matches, confirm the trade. Keep an eye on confirmation prompts. They finalize the credit transfer and record the transaction in your history. Finalize by checking transaction history to confirm the credit deduction and timestamps. This verifies the trade completed. Once done, ensure the purchased card or pack appears in your collection. If your balance looks wrong or item didn't arrive, restart the client and resync the wallet, since caching can cause display issues. If that fails, gather the trade ID and screenshots, then contact support. Provide the trade ID, amounts, and time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.